Hello, my name is Dr. Pankaj Pursar and I'm the mentor for today. I'm a medical doctor. I've done my MBBS, and for my interest in medical technology, I have got my admission into the Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi, as a PhD candidate in the Center for Biomedical Engineering. I'm doing my PhD. I'm in the last phase of my studies. And along with all these things, I'm also a serial innovator and an entrepreneur. I have developed a few medical devices, and all these products which we are working on are being developed. This venture has been running continuously since then and has now been able to see this taste of success. We have recently launched the product in the market. The product that we are developing is a portable, affordable, yet accurate point of care diagnostic device for early detection of kidney diseases and in patients with diabetes and high blood pressure, and also detect high risk pregnancies. And all this could be done with a simple urine test. Today, I'm going to talk about the aspects of designing for a product that is a hardware product for a hardware startup company. I would like to share my experiences giving the design thinking process a startup's perspective so that you all can understand what are the parameters that are to be taken care during a product development. Basically, the product that we mean here are tangible products, but this can also imply to all the non-tangible products like softwares, applications, and service models. So let's start with this. The topic that I've chosen today is titled Product Design and Engineering for Developing a Product with a Startup's Perspective. Now let's start the process. So, a product is a very important aspect for the entrepreneurship because it's the world wants, I think, a sweets box and a medicine box that I used to make a prototype with. And this was the first proof of concept. And as you can see, it was made on 4th of January of 2013. That's when I made the first prototype. Then that is not a product. No one would buy this. Then came the journey of the product development. I got some like-minded people to join my team, and then that's how the team was built, and we started developing. These are the initial versions of the prototype. This had now complex electronics with custom boards. Then this was the third version where it had more of a display and more of a better prototype, more accuracy and the data transfer capabilities and all those things. This was a still advanced version where it had even more of a patient inputs were added into that. This was the fourth version. Then this was our next version where the product was, it could be called as a pre-prod, a final product, where it was more of a good looking, almost a penultimate product. Still, this was one version without the printer, and this version was with a thermal printer, where the patients could get their test results instantaneously on a thermal printer here, and here only you could get on the smartphone. Then after this, still when we were then this was the hardware which we finalized, and this worked upon with all these features, but there were many inputs that we got from our end users and from of our friends, critics, and mentors, that this product does not look like a finished product. It looks like a point of sale machine or a card swipe machine which you find at shopping centers, shopping malls, and shops. So if it's a medical device, it should look something better. Me and my team agreed upon that. Yes, this is true. This product does not match to the level of accuracy, cost benefit, and utility that we have reached. So we got back to the drawing board, again started sketching, making designs, and this is the final version of the product that we offer. We name it as Centiglo. There are two versions, white and gray. It has a touch screen instead of previously it had a keypad. Now it has a touch screen, 3.5-inch touch multicolored touch screen instead of a monochrome touch keypad based small 16 cross 2 screen. Then this also has a beautiful looking design, more on utility, stability, and usability. And the important aspect here is two color options. The customers have two color options. White has looks great, but for field uses, it may get dirty very soon. So we have designed a darker color option because some people may like a darker color option for the product. This is where this product could come into use. So this is what we have designed. This is a feedback and how feedbacks and all the aspects of designing utility, safety, then USP, peculiarity, and face of the motto of the company. This is how you take into aspect these aspects into mind, then how you are designing the product. Then one more aspect here is we have reduced the human, we have put in design thinking here so that the product interaction with the human and the human's interaction with the product are eased off. Even a small child can do a test on that. The reason being, giving an example of child, is that even an untrained or a very less trained healthcare worker in the remotest of the villages can perform a test on this device. This is the basic purpose of design thinking in developing of a product. Then this product has won many awards since 2016. We have been continuously winning awards from the former Chief Minister of MP. Then we had Dr. Kiran Majumdar Shaw giving us the award for the Pitch Fest in Startup Bio 2017. This was the same year when I got introduced to AICTE also through the National Startup Summit organized in the India International Science Fair in October 2017 in Chennai, in association with Anna University, IIT Madras, and National Institute of Ocean Technology. So that's how I got into touch with AICTE team. And I also won the Pulse the Venture. It was a first reality show on TV based on competition for startups, and I was the national winner for that first season. Then the Royal Academy of Engineering has also awarded a project at various level, and I'm very happy to inform you all that this year I'm the only company from India that has been selected for the Leaders in Innovation Fellowship Advanced Program by Royal Academy of Engineering, London. So there are 18 participants from all over the world, one from each country, and then they are being mentored by Royal Academy of Engineering. So we launched the product on 22nd of November 2019 at the Global Bio India 2019 event. We have the Honorable Secretary of Department of Biotechnology, Dr. Renu Swaroop Madam, then the Head of Investments at BioRack, Dr. Manish Divan, Head of Diagnostics and all, Dr. Sharma, and then people from Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, WHO, UNICEF, all are there during the product launch. So my association with AICTE has been since 2017, when I was a participant at the India International Science Festival. I won that Science Festival Startup Summit, and since then I've been associated at various capacities, guiding young entrepreneurs, startups under